Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rise of the Tomb Raider game on your device. And once you open it up, you can directly continue playing from where you last left off. And if you wish to change your control settings at any time, just pause the game and press the Options button. Within the Options page, you can now change your controls. Click on a keyboard and mouse, and this will show you various controls that you can change right away. In order to change your buttons, tap on key binding at the bottom section, and now you will see all of the key bindings for various actions within the game. You can add up to 2 different buttons for the same action. So if you wish to change the primary button, tap on the control that you wish to change on the primary side, and when you click, the action will turn blank. You can then press the key that you wish to assign, and it will be set as the primary key right away. You can also choose the alternate option and then press the exact button after clicking on the blank space as well. After changing your desired option and your keys for all of the controls, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. In order to change your gamepad settings, tap on the gamepad option and you can now change your vibration settings as well as sensitivity and the axis inversion. Tap on view controls at the bottom once again, and now this will show you the various different controls that have been assigned. While you cannot modify any of these, this is a handy little shortcut for you to refer back to if you forget the controls at any point in time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Rise of the Tomb Raider game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.